Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now we coloring alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, first we are using the color of black. Now we mixing black color. Kids, first we draw the alphabet of A. Now we using black color. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids, the next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. We again use the color of black. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, now we draw and coloring the alphabet of D. D for dog, D for doll. And the next one is E. Subscribe to our channel. E for egg, E for elephant. The next one is numbers. First we coloring the number of 1. Kids, now we are using the color of blue. Subscribe to our channel. First we coloring the number of 1 and the next one is 2. TWO2. Kids, the next one is 3. The number of 3. Now we coloring the number of 3 and the next one is 4. FOUR 4. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is 5. FIVE 5. Kids, now we coloring 2D shapes. First we are using blue color and now we coloring the shape of triangle. Now we coloring the shape of triangle and the next one is circle. Now we are using the color of yellow. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we're using yellow color and the next one is heart. The shape of heart. Now we're coloring heart. The next one is star. Now we are using green color. Kids, now we are using the color of green. And the next one is pentagon. The shape of pentagon. And the last one is square. The shape of square. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.